This is my prediction. After watching this video, you will never see things same way. What if you can materialize any picture from your phone into a real object in real time? Take your magic to the next level and create unforgettable moments. This incredible method will allow you to perform different effects in different situations. You will receive all the information and downloads in different languages, ready to use on your Android or iPhone.
Okay. So if you say well, no.
Welcome to a new era in magic. Welcome to Materialization.